Hello everyone. Today I am going to make ubi halaya. The ubi halaya is the ingredients are the purple yam or the ube. This one is frozen that you can get it from the store, Filipino store or whatever, or you can buy also the fresh one. So this one I bought it from the store. 1 pack. 1 cup of ibap milk. I'm gonna use butter, 1 can of coconut milk, and then 1 can of ibap milk. Also, I am going to use sugar, but it depends. It depends on the sweetness because we're going to put the coconut or the condensed milk. So right now, what I'm going to do so that the ube will get more finer. So I will gonna just put it on my food processor, so that I have to blend it. But it looks like fine now, but I have more fine here. Okay, so this is so frozen. Okay, garlic there. Then we're gonna put the milk. Coconut milk. And then we're gonna put the ibap milk. Okay, it's not going to. Then close it. Okay, and then blend it. What you want, Daddy? Oh, want. There you go. And then the butter, we're gonna put it in here later. That's good now. So then I think that's good enough. So I have to put it on here. It looks. So maybe I will gonna put we're gonna put like a food color, like a purple one, so that we're gonna get more purpley. Okay, just a second. So we're gonna have to take this in the. Okay, so now we're going to put it on the fire. And I will put the milk, ibap milk. And then this one is constantly stirring or mix. Because if not, then everything will get burned. So now the butter is melting now. And there you go. And then maybe I will gonna put a little bit of sugar too. But it's an optional also. If you want to be like us, taste so sweet, you can add some sugar. So this one here. Look at that. See. And then, so we have to keep mix, 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 mix. Look at this. Yeah. We're gonna just put a 1/4 cup. This one is 1/2 cup measurements, but I only gonna use 1/4 cup of sugar so that it tastes better. Because I already put um, 1 can of condensed, so it's already sweet. So let's see. This is really kakanin that it's really hard to make because this one is constantly mixing until the end. So your armpit will going to get hurt. This is what we call in the Philippines what do you call that? What do you call that, Han? In the Philippines, we have some saying for this if you're making some ubi halaya. I forgot. Anyway.
Or they could just use one of those like things that mixes it for you. That's...
No, you can't because look at this. This is the hardest thing to make this because this one is really constantly because if you're not going to stir it constantly, then it will gonna get burned the bottom. So that's why you need to mix, 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 mix all the way through. But I swear this is really good. So this one I made is for my ubi pandesal, or this one is also for dessert. This is kind of like an expensive dessert because too much work.
A few inches later.
After a long time, years, now it's getting thicker now. So maybe, what time is it now? Maybe around 10:30 this one is done now. Because it's getting thick now, see. But we need to cook more. So, it'll take forever. See, it smells so good. Mmm. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. So, this one is almost done. See. So, it's maybe 1 minute. So, this one.
One eternity later.
Right, after mixing, mixing, mixing for a long time, here you go. It's done now. So I have to get it cooled down before I have to put it on the plate or in the dish or in llanera. So this one are all done now. So look at that. So it's really hot. Look at that. So good. So guys, this is easy to make. It's only like how many ingredients? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's only 5 ingredients. But the mixing is really a lot of work. because you can't get out in here.
Didn't understand that.
You can't get out in here. You just have to keep stirring on it until it cook. So this is already cooked. I have to get it down or to cool it down. Okay, turn it off. Then I have to leave it in here for a while. And then guys, don't forget to subscribe and watch all my videos. And you can also make this at home. So also, if you look at it, also you have to press or click the bell button so that you will gonna get it's go good. So here you go. It's really good. So see you in next video. Have a good night. Have a good day, everyone. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, bye bye.